Briefly explain what are the email marketing system setup and lead magnet setup for digital creators. Email marketing system setup and lead magnet setup are essential components of a digital creator's strategy for building and nurturing relationships with their audience. Here's a brief and amazing explanation of these concepts. 1. Email marketing system setup. An email marketing system is a platform that allows digital creators to collect email addresses from their audience, send targeted email campaigns, and automate communication to nurture leads and promote their products or services. B. To set up an email marketing system, digital creators typically choose an email marketing platform such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, or MailerLite. These platforms provide features such as email list management, customizable email templates, automation workflows, and detailed analytics. C. Once the platform is selected, digital creators create sign-up forms or landing pages to collect email addresses from their audience. They then create email campaigns, such as newsletters, product announcements, or sales promotions, to engage with their subscribers and drive conversions. D. Automation workflows are used to send personalized email sequences based on subscriber actions or triggers, such as signing up for a lead magnet or completing a purchase. This helps digital creators deliver the right message to the right audience at the right time, increasing engagement and conversions. 2. Lead magnet setup. A lead magnet is a valuable incentive offered to potential subscribers in exchange for their email address. It serves as a way to attract and capture leads, build an email list, and initiate the relationship building process. B. Lead magnets can take various forms, such as ebooks, guides, checklists, templates, webinars, or free courses, depending on the digital creator's expertise and target audience's needs. C. To set up a lead magnet, digital creators create a compelling offer that addresses a specific problem or pain point their audience is experiencing. They then create a landing page or opt-in form where visitors can sign up to receive the lead magnet by providing their email address. D. Once a visitor subscribes and receives the lead magnet, the digital creator can continue to nurture the relationship through email marketing, providing valuable content, product recommendations, and promotional offers to convert leads into customers over time. In summary, email marketing system setup and lead magnet setup are powerful strategies for digital creators to build, engage, and monetize their audience effectively. By implementing these strategies, digital creators can establish a strong online presence, cultivate a loyal following, and drive revenue growth for their digital products or services.